Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to delete Coinbase Wallet from iPhone. Now, there are two steps to delete Coinbase Wallet from your iPhone. For the first step, you can simply tap on the option settings. Now, at the search bar, you can simply search storage. Now, at the third, you can see the option storage. You need to tap over there. Now the list of applications that you have in your iPhone device will be presented. Here you need to simply choose the application that you want to delete. For this video we are about to delete Coinbase Wallet, so we will simply tap on Coinbase Wallet application. At the bottom you can see the option delete app. You need to tap over there. They will make sure that you want to delete it permanently or not, as they will also delete all of its documents and data. After that, you can simply tap on delete app and your Coinbase Wallet account will be permanently deleted from iPhone. The another step is to simply go on your home screen. Now, at the application of Coinbase Wallet, you can simply long press over the app. Now at the first, you can see the option remove app. You need to tap over there. You will see two options, delete app or remove from home screen. If you choose on remove from home screen, then the app won't be deleted, but it will only be removed from your home screen. Now for this video, we are about to delete it permanently. So we will go for the first step, that is delete app. Once again, they will be confirming if you want to delete the app or not. You can simply tap on delete. Now you can see that Coinbase Wallet application has been permanently deleted from your iPhone. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.